Persian rose, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought you was Persian love. Are we turning up or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time. You know party, I don't just wanna chill.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Yume Dreams. If you're new to this channel, please click the subscribe button to join God Mom's family and that notification bell for you to get notified whenever I post a new video. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you guys so much for coming back. So into this video, we are sponsored by Rpgshow, guys. This is I think collaboration yabo my 4 couple yabo my 5, guys. I love this brand. So they were so kind enough to send me their 16-inch kinky Kelly hair, guys. Yabona ukuthi Kelly kanchan. I love their hair. And also what I love about this company is that they are beginner friendly. They customize your wig, they bleach your knots, bona everything itla ilim jojo, guys. Everything itla ilim jojo. And I really love this belt also. I wanna yeah the thick one, the black one. I love it, guys. It's secure your wig, okay? So if you would like to get any wig from Rpgshow or specifically this wig, everything is down on my description box, guys. I also have the discount code. Please check it out. So now I am gonna install the hair. It's so easy. You guys definitely know how we do it. We apply the glue, we do the hair dryer, we let it dry. You will see, guys. So I'm gonna come back when I am done installing the hair. It's easy as 1 2 3. Just watch me, okay?
Fuck, I look like I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing you, I want you to feel it. Feel it, baby, can you feel me, babe? Can you feel it, baby, can you feel me, babe? Ooh, fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing you, I want you to feel it. Feel it, baby, can you feel me, babe? Can you feel it, baby, can you feel me, babe? Oh, feel me, babe. Can you feel me, babe? Feel me, babe. Can you feel me, babe? Oh, feel me, babe. Can you feel me, babe? 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 Feel me, babe. I don't just wanna chill with you. No, I wanna turn up on. I wanna turn you on. I wanna let you. That's the least someone do. Ooh, fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing you, I want you to feel it. Feel it, baby, can you feel me, babe? Can you feel it, baby, can you feel me, babe? Ooh, fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing you, I want you to feel it. Feel it, baby, can you feel me, babe? With you, oh, no, I wanna turn up on. I wanna turn you on. I wanna let you. That's the least someone do. Ooh, fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing you, I want you to feel it. Feel it, baby, can you feel me, babe? Can you feel it, baby, can you feel me, babe? Ooh, fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing you, I want you to feel it. Feel it, baby, can you feel me, babe? Can you feel it, baby, can you feel me, babe? Oh, feel me, babe. Can you feel me, babe? Feel me, babe. Can you feel me, babe? Oh, feel me, babe. Can you feel me, babe? Feel me, babe. Can you feel me, babe? Feel me, babe. Can you feel me, babe?
Yes guys, nibonile ukuthi ku-easy kanjani. So now I am done installing. Look at me, okay, look at the hair. It's giving volume, it's giving bona the lace. It's late guys. So if you like to buy this wig, go to my description box. Thank you Rpgshow for sponsoring today's video, and also thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, bye.